Guangzhou Palace Cosmetics Company Limited is the professional cosmetics company deal with private label cosmetics production and export. It is only 15 minutes from Baiyun International Airport. Our export market cover Europe, America, Asia, Middle East, and other countries. Chief Technical Engineer has a strong research and development capacity with 23 years experience on cosmetics formula study. We specialize in skin care, body care, hair care products with more than 4,700 existing mature formulas. We can customize the products including package choice, formula study, artwork design. Palace Production Factory with an area of 7,000 square meters, GMP ISO 22716 standard workshop with 8 production lines and 137 staffs, product capacity 120,000 pieces per day. And 200 tons per month, products including face, body, and hair care with different varieties including whitening, anti-aging, anti-acne, hydration like face cream, face serum, face toner, facial mask, face cleanser, eye cream, BB cream, liquid foundation, makeup remover, body scrub, massage oil, sunscreen, slimming cream, tanning mousse, hair removal cream, shower gel, body lotion, deodorants, hair shampoo, conditioner, hair serum, hair mask, and hair wax. Made in Palace has got CDEC certification with great reputation in China and overseas beauty industry. We have professional foreign trade business service team and domestic business service team to supply comprehensive service for different foreign trade customers. Low MOQ, fast delivery, customized design for products satisfy all your needs.